Hi, my name is Caden, here on 7 Turf Wars, and today we're reviewing the Nerf Zombie Strike Nailbiter. Let's get into this. We got our handy-dandy mini multi-tool. You just want to go ahead and take it. That did not go as planned whatsoever. Alright, so this isn't working out. We're just going to go ahead and use my karambit real quick here. Go ahead and just carnage it up. You have the blaster here. It's in the open style that Hasbro hasn't been doing. So it comes with the blaster. There's rival balls in here. This is why you don't leave stuff in Turf Wars. It gets covered in like this weird green, just disgusting crap. Like it's just dust everywhere. And then you get rival balls everywhere because it's a Nerf arena. Go ahead and you got your ammo here. I don't want to get this out, but I'll go ahead and get it out. It comes with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Comes with 8. You have the Nailbiter blaster itself. You have 6 darts. So wait, there were 8. I think we lost 2. So how you would go ahead and load this? Slide it all the way down. Put in your 8 that come with it. I think 2 ran away. You go ahead and load it like so. Oh, there's one that flew at me. Once again, we're starting with throwing darts at Caden during a segment. So, load up with 8 right here. Slide it down. It's kind of weird. There's no priming anywhere. You just squeeze. It's kind of a cool concept. You just squeeze and it shoots, and it goes decently far. I'd say with really good darts. Now, half of these are Turf Wars darts, and they just ate crap. They fly about 75, it looks, 50, I don't know. It's standard elite or zombie strike performance. You have a stock attachment, which is kind of cool. You also have a front barrel attachment and a rail attachment, so you can stick your Star Wars aimer. It's an aimer, guys. You can stick your Star Wars aimer on the bottom of it, and you can be super cool. And so that's kind of it. I believe it comes with an extra kit that you can, I think it's like an axe stock and like some extendable like barrel kit and maybe something on the bottom, maybe like a dart holder. I don't know. So now we're going to go ahead and get into my opinion, Lance's opinion, and we have a surprise guest's opinion today. I'm here giving my take on the Nailbiter. Is that the name of it? Yes, it says it right here. So I enjoy it. I do like how it does have this clip-a-zine. I'd much rather have it have a magazine that you could just take out, but then it wouldn't be a nail gun. Zombie Strike is based on turning actual tools into blasters to kill their zombies in their world. Whatever, I don't know. It's really cool. I'm always a fan of blasters that are not motorized, that you can one-hand, like dual wield. I mean, like a Retaliator, you can't do that. Alpha Trooper, you can't do that. I think I saw like a thing of Mavericks or Strong Arms where they took string and put it around them and they did this with it, but then you just have the slam fire. I like how the double strike and I believe the hammer shot, you both can do that with them, but they don't have a high capacity as this. It shoots pretty far. I really enjoy it. I played one game tonight with it. It didn't do very well because our darts are getting kind of flimsy. But I do like it. I wish it could use the Battle Scout mags, but then it wouldn't be angled and it wouldn't be as cool. I kind of wish this was like a removable flap that we could aim here. Not the case. It's stationary and it stays there. Basically, my bottom line is they look cool. 10 out of 10 on looks. Maybe 8 or 7 out of 10 on firing, and probably a 3 out of 10 on practicality. Not very practical. They have this clip-a-zine style, so you can't have many clip-a-zines on it. And I don't know, it's not my style. I prefer Artemis. Very cool. And I got my boss. I'm gonna get fired. If I'm no longer on this channel, that means I've been fired, but I also have access to it, so I can just delete everything and delete the channel. Now they're all throwing, you know what? This is gonna like follow the post of, you know, me just getting rid or like zooming in on all the ammo like flying in at me. Are you guys both done? You done? Yeah. Anyways, that's my opinion. We're going to go ahead and get into Lance's opinion and our special guest, and then we'll do the outro. Hey guys, Lance here on staff with Turf War, here to give my take on the Nerf Nailbiter. Elite Blaster, semi-auto, no cocking. I think it's first semi-automatic that's not automatic. That doesn't have battery, that's what I mean by that. It's really nice. We've kind of vandalized it in case we've had this for longer than it's not just out of the box. I'm reviewing it a little later because time, and we actually had to work. We don't just make videos all day, you know. But it's actually a pretty good shooter. Shoots really straight. I wouldn't use this against a rival. I'd always take the rival, but this right here, it's a pretty good for an elite. It's better than any of the pistols. I'd use it against over any of the megas just because it holds more, and I can shoot it faster than I can one of the pump actions. I don't like that you can't take this out and put another one in. I guess they had to keep it in there so that it's kind of hard to load. I don't like that. I do like being able to load it. That's my only negative thing to say about this gun. There's nowhere really for a scope unless you want to put one like right here and do this. But I don't see anyone doing that. It's not very practical and doesn't really feel comfortable holding it like this. So I'm pretty sure that's more for a grip. But other than that, pretty good gun, decent ammo capacity, and that's all.
All right, I'm the guest reviewer, I guess. Guest, I guess. I am going to review the Nailbiter. I actually kind of like this blaster. I like that you can add the barrel or stock. I think that's pretty neat, and that it really looks and sounds like an actual nail gun, although this is a blaster. What I don't like about it is that it does skip rounds once in a while, and it does jam a little more, but I do like how quick you can fire. See, skipped. Anyways, I do like how quick it is. I kind of like how the magazine is, but like Lancey Poo said, I don't like how you can't take out the magazine.
What are you, my mom?
They call me Mom Boss, whatever. That's about my only opinion about it. I really do actually like it. I like it more than the other Elite pistols, except for the Hammer Shot. That's my all-time favorite. But yeah, it's a good little gun, not bad for 20 bucks. So, thanks, signing out.
So, my overall opinion of this gun is, it was very fun. It was kind of hard to use in war because it was tedious to reload. You would have to pull up the magazine and put the darts in and go back. But it was still fun because you could dual wield them at points. It was just a fun blaster. Now, I do know it was a gimmick. It pretty much was that from the start. Zombie Strike is generally a gimmick blaster. But I don't care. I still had a fun time recording and filming and playing with the gun. I mean, Lance even said he didn't like it, but I saw he enjoyed it a lot. Now, he does enjoy Rival because he's better with Rival, and I think anyone enjoys what they're better with. But overall, it was a really fun gun, and I would encourage to buy if you have the money. Now, if you want to go for a performance gun, definitely go towards an Apollo or the Rival area. But if you just want to have fun, or you just like gimmick blasters like that, go ahead and do that one. It's a fun gun. I'd recommend it. Now, I wish it did come with 16 darts, but that's fine. I mean, we have tons of turf wars. I think we have about 10,000 sitting for our Nerf Fortnite event that starts in May 11th. You guys should go check that out. I'll leave a video in the description of our Fortnite event. It talks about what it is, where it's at, which is, of course, Turf Wars, but how it's going to work. We're giving away a lot of stuff. It's going to be really awesome. So, that's it. Go along and enjoy the rest of your video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and click subscribe. It helps us out a lot and it grows our channel. If you want to book a birthday party, that's down in the description. I'll give the website link. If you also want to book open play, that'll be down in the description. Same thing as the website link. Check out our Facebook. We also have an Instagram and a Twitter now, or we've had. I was just recently told that we had one. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. This is me signing off. You missed! You missed!